Hello, I'm Michael Schmida, Director of Code Standards and Research at the Gypsum Association. Recently, the GA Technical Services Center was asked, can I seal the shaftliner panel assembly portion of an area separation firewall, such as the one behind me, and if so, how? The Gypsum Association has no testing or supporting documentation related to sealing the shaftliner panel assembly portion of an area separation firewall. As a result, the impacts of sealing shaftliner panels on fire resistance or acoustical performance are unknown to us precisely. This is true regardless of sealing with foams, sprays, or caulking materials. However, one can reasonably assume that using a fire-rated and agency-listed sealing material will not be detrimental to the fire performance of the assembly. But it is possible that oversealing the shaftliner panel may decrease acoustical performance because it couples the panels with the studs, making the structure more rigid and thereby reducing the damping effect. This may be especially true in situations where the entire shaftliner assembly has been coated over, such as with a spray-applied material. We do not believe simple sealing of just the shaftliner panel and the stud and track joints will be significantly detrimental to acoustical performance. Remember that the flanking walls on either side of the shaftliner panel assembly must be sealed with compounded tape at junctures with adjoining walls in the ceiling. Also, flanking walls must be caulked at the bottom.